Hello, I'm Roopesh. I did my undergraduation in civil engineering and then post-graduation in geospatial domains. I thought of switching my career into data science domain and then I've joined AlmaBetter, the upskilling institute. Then after a brief course of like 4 to 6 months, I've been placed in a company called as Pocket FM as a data analyst. When I was doing my graduation and post-graduation, my parents have really invested some money in the graduation and post-graduation. So I don't want to ask them again the money for investing in something which I have to learn again the data science domain. So the pay after placement program of AlmaBetter has really fascinated me. It was like you paying yourself. You have the opportunity to prove yourself. Then after that, only paying the AlmaBetter. So that is one point which I've really liked about AlmaBetter and joined it. While joining, I was really confused, to be honest, between the Pro program and Premium program. Pro program has really one advantage of the pace. So you can set your pace, which is like very much required for me. I was like completely devoting my time towards the data science domain. So I've took the Pro program and there I have started my learning journey at my own pace. So in that way, the Pro program helps you a lot. And the best part is the pocket friendly budget that you have spent is also refunded. About the learning experience, I would say I was really kind of scared by mathematics from 10th and inter also. Here, the maths and the machine learning algorithms, the learning experience was very good. The visualizations they made, there is a special thing in AlmaBetter called as lab where you can go and perform the mathematical experiment and see the results for yourself. So these kind of things in AlmaBetter has provoked something which you can, which you are comfortable in learning and picking up the things very soon. The data science journey was a long journey, like 3 to 4 months. I was continuously trying to learn something, right? So there are instances where you get demotivated or you're doubtful. Then these one-on-one mentorship sessions have really helped me to talk to people, the industry experts, how they feel, what is the industry standards, how we should prepare, what things have to be improved, what things has to be taken seriously more. So these kind of key points and these kind of motivational things set by the one-on-one mentorships have really set a pace and motivational tone through which I think we have gained a lot of experience and knowledge. AlmaBetter makes sure that their students are market ready. So what happened is they inculcate this thing through capstone projects where there is fixed deadlines and estimated times that should be given, and everything has like graded systems. When you don't do it in a deadline, then they are marked negative. So these kind of checks keeps you in the deadline zone where you are completing the project, and this style has helped me a lot when I was switching to the corporate style. Placement journey, it was flawless, I would say. It was like defending resume was one session which is very helpful. Like when you prepare the resume, the questions will almost be pointed out from the resume itself. So if you're very confident about defending a resume, it's pretty much like nailing the interview itself. So that part AlmaBetter especially took care of, and the mock interviews helped us a lot, like where you're going off, which part of the resume you're not able to defend. These kind of tips were really helpful. And when we were attending the original interviews, it appeared to be more like a mock interview for us. AlmaBetter has taken up this model. It's where it is like a win-win situation. So I would highly recommend AlmaBetter. I've been recommending to my friends also. If you want to switch into data science domain, AlmaBetter would be a great upskilling institute where you could really have ample amount of opportunities. It can really help you to transform your career into data science.